In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bybit Rewards. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its user-friendly interface and rewarding incentive programs. Whether you're new to crypto trading or a seasoned trader, the Bybit Rewards Hub can offer some fantastic opportunities to earn extra benefits. First, you need to log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have an account, it's fairly straightforward to sign up on their website. After logging in, navigate to the Rewards section. Look for the icon or menu option labeled Rewards Hub or something similar. This is where the magic happens. The Rewards Hub is like your central dashboard for all the possible bonuses and incentives Bybit offers to its users. Once you're in the Rewards Hub, you'll notice a variety of ongoing promotions and bonuses available. It's crucial to understand what each reward entails, so take some time to explore the options. You might come across tasks such as completing a certain number of trades within a specified period or perhaps referring a friend to join the platform. Each task will have specific requirements and conditions, so be sure to read the details carefully. When you find a promotion that suits your trading style, go ahead and choose it. For instance, you might select a deposit bonus where you need to deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrency into your account to unlock the reward. After selecting a reward, take careful note of any deadlines or conditions attached. These are time-sensitive offers, so you'll want to act promptly to make sure you don't miss out. As you complete the required tasks, rewards will accumulate in your account. You can typically check your progress within the Rewards Hub. This transparency allows you to manage and track your accomplishments easily. Once you've fulfilled a task, your earned incentives such as bonus funds or fee discounts will be applied to your Bybit account accordingly. Now, let's talk about the terms and conditions. While the rewards can be quite lucrative, do not overlook the fine print. Each promotion may have different compliance rules, such as trading volume requirements or withdrawal limitations. Understanding these can save you from future headaches and make your experience even more rewarding. Finally, remember to keep your eyes peeled for new promotions. Bybit often updates its offers, and being active in the Rewards Hub can help you take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Keeping up with these promotions can significantly enhance your trading experience on Bybit. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Bybit Rewards to your advantage. With a clear understanding of how the Rewards Hub works, you're now well on your way to maximizing the perks available on Bybit. Happy trading!